Hazrat Khabbab bin Arat radiyallahu anhu states, we emigrated along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Allah's way, seeking only Allah's pleasure, whose reward has got deposited with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Some of us have expired without acquiring any reward in this world. One of them was Hazrat Mus'ab bin Umair radiyallahu anhu, who embraced martyrdom in the battle of Uhud, and there was nothing to shroud him except a chador. When we covered his head with that chador, his feet got exposed, and when we covered his feet with it, his head got exposed. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, put that chador beside his head and put idkhir, grass, on the feet. And some of us are those whose fruit of labor has got ripe, and they are eating after picking it. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 2174.